Hello friends, welcome to our next video. In this video we will see how to embed a YouTube video on a web page. So let's get started. So suppose this is our sample post in which we want to embed a YouTube video. So what you need to do is just head on to YouTube and select a video which you want to embed. Suppose we just embed this video. So open it, and what you need to do is just click on this share button and select this first option, which is embed. So what you need to do is just now copy this code and head on to your web page, switch on to HTML view and copy this, paste this code here. So let's just save it and preview it. So as you can see, the video is successfully embedded on a web page. So basically you can change various parameters within this code to change the frame size. So basically you can see that width is set to 560, height is 315. You can change this accordingly to set this on your web page. And you can also select a start point where you want to start your video at which time. So these are the options, and again there is one option which is that show player controls. So we will choose it to be on. So these are the options which you need to select, and just copy this code onto your page and the video will appear here. So basically this is in our today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.